Residing in Texas, USA, is the Austonian. The 59-story building experienced a large piece of concrete from a slab edge fall more than 200 feet onto its podium. The repair team used demolition and surface preparation equipment that were specifically selected to mitigate damage to existing post-tensioned assemblies. Prepackaged concrete repair material was then mixed at balconies near the placement locations to avoid transportation delays. In repairing the project, a 4-step quality control program was also utilized for each of the repaired slab edges.